Hi friends, today I'll show you how to create house bank in SAP S4Hana. So we used to use FI12 transaction code in ECC. Here also we are going to use the same transaction code, but there is some change. In ECC, everything we complete in single screen. In FI110, single screen we create everything related to house bank. Mean to say, like we create house bank, we create bank ID, and we create the account ID and we create the account number, and we assign the main GL account also. But when it comes to SAP S4HANA, we have some changes here. In FI110, we only create house bank. Okay, and that is part of configuration. Mean to say, we are going to save this change in a transport request. But to create the bank account number and to assign the GL accounts and to create a bank ID or account ID, for that we are going to use SAP Fiori, because that is not possible in SAP GUI, okay, in S4HANA. So let us see how we can create. So in this screen FI12, I'm going to select company code V001 and click on house banks. So now you can see we have 3 house banks already created. I'm going to create new one. So I'm going to create Axis Bank this time. So I'll give one code, house bank code, Axis, and country India, and I'm going to give one bank key as well. Okay, so this is my bank key, Axis _ 00111, and click on create so that I can save the address here. Axis Bank. Okay, here we give the bank branch address and then click on save. So see, this system is asking to save this change in the transport request. That means this is part of the configuration. But now if you want to create account number or the bank account number, we need to click here. As we used to do in ECC, we give account number, bank numbers, and GL code, everything we specify in this screen. But in S4HANA, this is not allowed. This screen is not allowed. This is just for read access only. We cannot create or change anything here. So for that, we have an icon here to create the bank account. So let's click on this. Okay, as soon as we click on create bank account creation icon, we are getting redirected to SAP Fiori. Since I have some problem in the browser, so I'm getting this error. So let me directly open SAP Fiori. This is Fiori page. Here we need to select manage bank account and then press enter. Then system has suggested us 5 tiles bank transaction related. We need to click on the manage bank account. This is the one through which we are going to create the bank accounts. This is the next screen appears. I need to give here description of the account. So say Axis Bank current account, and I need to mention the account number here, bank account number, then give the country of your bank, which is India, and then bank key. So what is the bank key? For Axis Bank, we have created one bank key. Let me go one step back, and yeah, so this is the bank key. I'll copy this and I need to give here bank key. Then I need to give the currency. Okay, so after giving bank key, we need to give currency, which is INR. Apart from this, we don't have to give anything in this screen. Click on general data. Okay, here we need to mention the account opening date. So just let me change 1st of September. I want to change. Then click on bank relationship. Basically we are not going to change anything in this screen. Nothing we are not going to change. Now straight away click on house bank account connectivity. Here basically we need to link our house bank to the account number which we have given here. Okay, so as of now you see no item available here, so I'm going to create one entry here. So click on create and let me check here. My screen should not log out. Okay, so Axis Bank. Alright, I need to give here house bank which is already given, Axis Bank, and I need to give the house bank account which is nothing but account ID we have in ECC, right? 5 digit. So this will only accept 5 digit. Okay, only 5 digit. I given the account ID and let's scroll down. These are the mandatory fields which we need to give. Okay, so then we need to give GL account number which is main house bank. Let me check my GL account for Axis Bank. In the bank balances, yes, we have the GL master created for Axis Bank. Copy this and okay, and then go to house bank data. Here we have given GL account, nothing else we have to give. Here also we don't have to give anything. Here also nothing. Now click on apply and then click on save as inactive. Okay, this will take some time. Now we can see our company code, house bank and house bank ID has been created. Now we need to activate this because this is now in the inactive status. This is our Axis Bank account number. So I need to click on activate. So click on activate and we get message, a new version of the bank account Axis Bank current account was activated. Right, so we have created bank account number for Axis Bank. Now let us check whether this is reflecting here or not. So it is not updated, so let's come back and we'll again go to F512 screen, F512, and select our company code V001. Then click on house banks, select Axis Bank and double click on bank accounts. Yeah, we know this is read access screen only, but this is the bank account number we have created through Fiori, right? And this is the GL code we have given there, and this is the account ID we have given in Fiori. This is the account ID which we gave in Fiori. So if you want to see here, click on the arrow and you can see, right, this is the account ID we have given. So this is how we create the house bank in SAP S4Hana. Just to recap, like we just need to create house bank only first in using GUI in SAP S4Hana. For example, if you see Citibank, okay, this is the house bank we have created. So we can only create this much configuration in through GUI in SAP S4Hana. If you want to create the bank account, for that we need to log into Fiori server and there only we can create the bank account number. So that means to say bank account number is now part of your master data. It is no more part of your configuration. Okay, so that's all for how to create the house bank in SAP S4HANA. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and do comment if you face any issue to create the house bank. So I will try to fix that. I'll try to help you. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.